Hello everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today I have yet another unboxing, which sounds kind of weird. But the story about this one is it's a ukulele I've been looking at for a long time and it was priced right on eBay. So this was an eBay purchase. So let's just get to it and open it up. Taped pretty well. Alrighty. Lots of padding. And some side more padding. And inside more padding. Packed really nicely. There's the neck. Square neck. Very reminiscent of the outdoor ukulele. That I did not recognize or realize. There's the headstock. Northern Ukulele. And we'll try to get the body undone here. And here it is. This is a Northern Ukulele. I think it's a concert scale. And historically, for a music educator, this is a very important instrument. Chalmers Doane really was the inspiration behind much of the Canadian education system where they use ukulele. And at the time, the 1970s, they couldn't get affordable ukuleles. And the Harmony Factory in Chicago, I understand, had just closed. So Chalmers Doane started his own company, which actually there's a picture of, or a label on the inside that you can't really see, where he contacted a company in Canada and asked them to make an ukulele to his specifications. I think Chalmers Doane and his father, and maybe brother, I can't remember quite, put together the idea. And they were going for a design that didn't require bending of all of the woods, so there's no bending. And the headstock is straight. So what they do is the strings go in through the back and out to get the break angle on the nut that you need. Well, unfortunately, the C string was cut too short. And I can't tune it up. I can't get enough hold on the string to tune it up. So I'm going to have to change the strings on this one right away. But you can kind of hear what it's going to sound like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this recording. I'm going to go swap the strings and maybe finish it. It does have pins. So I'll have to pull out the pins to get them out. And we'll be back in business very shortly. It looks like the bridge has been re-glued in, if you can see that. But that doesn't matter as long as it works. That's all that matters. So, back soon. Alright, so I have the new strings on. They're brand new. But I could not play it with the C string. Getting a little bit of a buzz on that string, and the E, and I'm not quite sure where it's at. The action's really low, so I might have to raise it up at the nut, which should be okay. It's a vintage ukulele, but let's... Definitely buzz there, a little bit there, nothing on the C. It's there. So it's telling me it's on the first fret. So the nut might just have to go up a little bit. So it's just raising the nut a little bit, which should be possible to do. I'm going to take a look and see if there's something I can put in there immediately to maybe just raise them up a bit and see if I can get rid of that buzz. All right, well, here is what I've done to solve the problem of the buzzing A string. I think the fluorocarbon string was just too thin in diameter to work there. So the E string, that rattle got solved by leveling the frets and giving the whole fretboard a good cleaning. That solved that one, but not the A's. When you play it, you really do hear that E string stick out. So, there you have it. Northern Ukulele, 1970s, Chalmers Doane, Canada, ukulele music education history. Thanks for watching. We'll have more content for you soon.